On behalf of the CPR Environmental Education Center, we welcome you for this online environmental education. Today's topic being, water is the driver of nature. What is water? Water is a colorless, odorless, tasteless liquid, oxide of hydrogen, H2O. Whether all water is potable? No. How much water on earth is potable? Only 0.1% of available water on earth is potable. Water is the driver of nature. We are going to see some facts on water as a force of driving the nature. Distribution of water on earth. The volume of water available in the earth is around 1,386 million cubic kilometers. Our earth is covered with 75% water, of which the oceans and seas hold 97%, which is salty. Another 2% is locked up in the Arctic and Antarctic ice caps and snow, which is unusable. Only 1% is found in the rivers, lakes, and underground reservoirs for use. At any point of time, there is 12,900 cubic kilometers of water in the form of vapor in the atmosphere. Further facts continued as the average rainfall in India is about 1,200 millimeters. It is a little above the global mean precipitation of 990 millimeters. The biggest problem with India's water resources is that it varies greatly over both time and space. Nearly 3/4 of India's rain comes pouring down during the 4 months of the monsoon. For the rest of the year, the country remains relatively dry. There are 14 major, 44 medium, and 55 minor river basins in our country. India has an annual exploitable groundwater of 26.5 million hectare meters. India's groundwater resources are about 10 times its annual rainfall. But this water is declining in many areas due to the increasing number of tube wells. Water availability in India. Annual precipitation, including snowfall, is 4,000 cubic kilometers. Average annual availability is 1,869 cubic kilometers. Estimated utilizable water resources is 1,122 cubic kilometers. Surface water resources amount to 690 cubic kilometers and groundwater resources amount to 4,031 cubic kilometers. Dynamic groundwater resource as on March 2011 survey. Annual replenishable groundwater resources 433 billion cubic meters. Net annual groundwater availability estimated at 398 billion cubic meters. Annual groundwater draft for irrigation, domestic and industrial uses estimated to be 245 billion cubic meters. The stage of groundwater development is 62%. Source: Groundwater Quality Scenario CGWB report. What kind of impurities does the water contain? There are two things: suspended impurities, dissolved impurities. What are called suspended impurities? Bacteria, algae, protozoan, viruses, silt, clay, colloids, metal oxides, and hydroxides. What are dissolved impurities and how are they called? Total dissolved solids. Total dissolved solids in simple is called as TDS. Further facts on water: misuse and pollution of water. Fresh water, the fluid of life, is subjected to misuse and degradation in India. Irrigation accounts for 92% of the water consumed and the remaining 8% is used for domestic and industrial needs. There are many sources of water pollution. Sewage and industrial waste are considered to be the two major sources. About 75% of India's surface water is polluted. Impacts of water pollution. The impact of polluted water in India is felt in many spheres. Diseases, both waterborne and infectious, are spreading. Residual chemicals enter into the food chain and cause biomagnified concentration of toxins in animals and humans. Waterborne diseases such as typhoid, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, and dysentery account for 66% of all illnesses in India. Wetlands, which act as a buffer for floods, purifiers of wastewater, and nurseries for fish and wildlife, are being drained with no regard for their economic value. Water conservation at individual level. Check for leaking taps, pipes, and replace them. Do not let water run while washing, shaving, brushing, etc. Use a bucket of water to bathe instead of a shower. If not, take short showers. Water your plants in the evening, as this will reduce evaporation of water. Water conservation at home. Water used to wash clothes can be reused for washing cars, toilets, etc. Do not use washing machines if the load of clothes is less, as this requires a very large amount of water. The area around the house should not be covered with concrete, as this prevents the penetration of water into the soil, thereby reduce the groundwater table. Try to use a broom to clean the walkways instead of cleaning with water. Do not throw waste materials, food scraps, pesticides, medicines, electronic items, and other hazardous materials into drains. Maintain the sewer systems properly. Clean and disinfect them twice a year, thereby preventing contamination of groundwater sources. Water conservation at the community level. Rainwater harvesting should be done in buildings, house, school, roads, and public places. Rainwater can be stored in large covered containers for domestic use, washing, and cleaning. Conduct rallies, cleanup drives, and other awareness campaigns to educate people about water pollution and conservation. When a water is potable, when the water is clear, when the water contains low TDS, when the water contains no toxic substances, when the water contains no bacteria and viruses, then the water is safe and potable. Please don't waste water. Turn off water when not in use. If water is safe and protected, it is your friend. If water is unsafe and unprotected, it is your foe. Posters developed by CPR Environmental Education Center. We are going to show you a few posters. Water scarcity and pollution. The points discussed are printed over there, have been discussed earlier. Save water. Water is the driver of nature. Conserve it. The center has developed resource materials, books and pamphlets, which are available in Tamil, English, and a few of these other languages also. For more details, please browse to our website www.cpreec.org. You can download these pamphlets and books. The CPR Environmental Education Center is also equipped with environmental laboratory. The environmental laboratory consists of instruments like visible spectrophotometer, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, high volume sampler, flame photometer, BOD incubators. The center's laboratory has developed water testing kit designed to make water analysis easy, less time consuming, and above all, economical. The kit may be used for testing basic water parameters such as hardness, alkalinity, chloride, etc., and comes with detailed instructions. You are now seeing the water testing kit. Manual comes with the water testing kit. Parameters analyzed in water, physiochemical parameters, 19 parameters, also microbial parameters, parameters in wastewater, biological oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand. Water samples are analyzed and results are given. Projects carried out by environmental laboratory river basin water samples analysis from Public Works Department, research samples from Madras Christian College, river water samples from Nandanam Government Arts College, research samples from Meenakshi Dental College, water quality monitoring to tribal students of Car Nicobar and rural students of Diglipur during the training programs. We will see photos of students analyzing the water samples at Diglipur. The media has reported it as CPREEC trains Karnik students on water quality watch. Hands-on training on water quality monitoring conducted for students of Nicobar. We will just take a small break and go in for a song in Tamil on water conservation, an awareness environmental song. ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். மழையை நம்பி மரங்களும் வருது, மரங்களை நம்பி மழையும் வருது. மழை இல்லாமல் நாம் இங்கு ஏது? ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். நிலத்தடி நீரும் குறையாமே, இருக்கிற மண்ணும் கரையாமே. நிலத்தடி நீரும் குறையாமே, இருக்கிற மண்ணும் கரையாமே. பூமியும் பொலிபுற செய்வது மரமே, சாமியும் வரந்தர செய்வது மரமே. பூமியும் பொலிபுற செய்வது மரமே, சாமியும் வரந்தர செய்வது மரமே. ஆறுகள் குளங்கள் ஏரிகள் வழியே, ஆறுகள் குளங்கள் ஏரிகள் வழியே, ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். மழையை நம்பி மரங்களும் வருது, மரங்களை நம்பி மழையும் வருது. மழை இல்லாமல் நாம் இங்கு ஏது? ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். உணவையும் உடையையும் தருவதுவே, உறைவிடம் அதனையும் தருவதுவே. உணவையும் உடையையும் தருவதுவே, உறைவிடம் அதனையும் தருவதுவே. உயிருக்கு மூச்சையும் தருவது மரமே, உணர்வுள்ள பேச்சையும் தருவது மரமே. உயிருக்கு மூச்சையும் தருவது மரமே, உணர்வுள்ள பேச்சையும் தருவது மரமே. பாலைகள் எல்லாம் சோலைகளாக, பாலைகள் எல்லாம் சோலைகளாக, ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். மழையை நம்பி மரங்களும் வருது, மரங்களை நம்பி மழையும் வருது. மழை இல்லாமல் நாம் இங்கு ஏது? ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். வீடுகள் தோறும் மரம் வளர்த்தே, வீதியும் பாதையும் நிழல் கொடுத்தே. வீதிகள் தோறும் மரம் வளர்த்தே, வீதியும் பாதையும் நிழல் கொடுத்தே. கடும் புயல் காத்தையும் தடுப்பது மரமே, கடும் வெயில் சூட்டையும் தணிப்பது மரமே. கடும் புயல் காத்தையும் தடுப்பது மரமே, கடும் வெயில் சூட்டையும் தணிப்பது மரமே. வனங்களை வளர்ப்போம், வளர்ச்சியை தடுப்போம். வனங்களை வளர்ப்போம், வறட்சியை தடுப்போம். ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். மழையை நம்பி மரங்களும் வருது, மரங்களை நம்பி மழையும் வருது. மழை இல்லாமல் நாம் இங்கு ஏது? ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். மழையை நம்பி மரங்களும் வருது, மரங்களை நம்பி மழையும் வருது. மழை இல்லாமல் நாம் இங்கு ஏது? ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். ஆளுக்கு ஒரு மரம் நடுவோம், நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். நாம் அனைவருமே மழை பெறுவோம். Hope you will have all enjoyed this song and everything. If you want the lyrics of the song, you can write to us at cprec@gmail.com. Further, you can send your suggestions and feedback to to our official email ID cpreec@gmail.com. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very much. We welcome you for the next program. The series of program is continued on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We will send you the email ID and the WhatsApp, the link and the customer ID and the passcode also. Everything for the meeting, next meeting will be sent to you through email ID and WhatsApp to you. Please join us for the next meeting on Wednesday. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Unmute yourself.
Sir, please unmute your audio, sir. You can all unmute your audio. Sir, you can all unmute your audio. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Venkatratnam, sir. How did you enjoy the program, sir? Mr. Satyanarayanan, welcome. How did you enjoy the program, sir? How was it?
Awesome, sir. The program is. The song is very good, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. We are getting good.
Keep going, sir.
We are getting good feedback. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Venkatratnam, sir, you are coming online. Yes. Yes, Dr. Sumabala, madam. Yes, madam. You can unmute and speak to us, madam.
Vasanji,
Yes, Ji. Yes, Ji. Good afternoon.
Kumarvel sir,
Yes, yes.
Satyanarayan sir,
Yes, yes.
thank you very much.
How did you enjoy the program, sir?
Yes, we enjoyed a lot, really.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sir, we are going to conclude this program. We are going off time. Just concluding this program. Thank you all very much. Please visit us by Wednesday, sir. We will send you the meeting ID and passcode. Thank you all. Thank